Introducing AutoPass, a time-saving extension now available on Origin. Increase speed and productivity and streamline your Origin experience. With AutoPass enabled, there's no pausing between passes, so you can focus on completing the project at hand. Type in the final depth for your project, then use AutoPass to plan and automate the cutting passes required to get there. Once you begin cutting, Origin will keep track of where you are in the process. As you approach a new cutting pass, Origin will automatically ramp to the next depth. Even finishing passes can be automated. When you're done, Origin will automatically retract. With encoded depth now available on Origin, AutoPass will automatically read your final depth encoded in a file and calculate the steps required to get there based on your settings. Any file from our hardware catalog has depths encoded. Plus, you can use Studio to encode depths in your own designs, helping you prevent unnecessary mistakes. Speed up your cutting process with this simple extension. Learn more about AutoPass by visiting shapertools.com/AutoPass.